Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, we definitely welcome you to subscribe. We put out a host of different credit and financial related videos, so just hit that subscribe button. If not, you can always like, share, or comment right down below. So for today's video, I'm doing another credit product review, and this is actually a unique product because it's something I've never seen before. So recently, just in throughout just doing some research, was able to get a pre-approval for the Upgrade Visa. So Upgrade Visa, they also do like term loans, but this particular offer is a personal line of credit, or at least that's the way it's marketed. But there's a couple differences that makes this particular product unique. Um, and so generally, like a line of credit is an open-ended line. You know, you could pull cash off of it as you repay, and you know you're only being charged interest on what you draw down. And then generally with an open-ended line of credit, as you pay it back, that amount of available credit becomes available again, like as you repay it, kind of like a revolving, the balances and available credit is always like seesawing back and forth as you pay it down. So with this Upgrade Visa line of credit, it's a little different because as you draw down and repay, that amount of funding does not get replenished. So as you draw down, it just keeps drawing down until it gets to zero. And then at that point, you'd either have to reapply for a new line of credit. So to me, the way I'm interpreting this as, this is more like a loan that you're only getting, you only have to pay interest when you use it, instead of like an open-ended line of credit where as you repay it, it becomes available to you. So it does have, I'm not going to say the same advantages. I think it loses all the benefits of a traditional line of credit because, for one, as you repay it, you can't reuse it. It just keeps drawing down until it's basically zero, and then at that point you'd have to undergo another credit check, another hard inquiry in order to you know um, get another line of credit, or line of credit as they're marketing. But I don't really think it's a line of credit. I think it's just a loan that you only pay interest on as you draw it down, as opposed to a normal term loan. You're going to be paying interest as soon as that loan originates. So with this particular product, I think I'm probably going to pass on it, even though I was pre-approved for a $10,000 line of credit. But it's kind of a loan disguised as a line of credit. So I don't really see the benefit of this particular product because it's not open-ended. I can't reuse it, and if I draw down that entire amount, I would have to undergo another credit check. So for this particular product, I'm definitely going to pass on it. It's not a line of credit in the traditional sense, so I don't know really what to call it. I'm not even going to go as far to say it's a hybrid loan line of credit, because it's just a loan that you're not paying interest on immediately, if that makes any sense. So that's all I really wanted to share for this video. If anyone has any experience with the Upgrade Visa, definitely let me know what your comments are in the comment section right below. But yeah, it's an interesting product. I haven't seen it anywhere before, so yeah, I'm definitely not going to go forward with it, even though it's pre-approved. I don't need it. At first, I thought it was a revolving line of credit. I would have got it immediately, but the fact that it draws down until it's zero, kind of defeats the purpose. I mean, you can go to any credit union and probably get a lower interest rate. And this is underwritten by a bank called Sutton Bank. Never heard of them before. So, yeah, definitely won't be going forward with this, although it's pre-approved. So that's all I wanted to share for this video. If you missed our webinar from this past weekend on how to trigger automatic credit approvals, we do have a link in the description of the video. So if you missed out on it, you can go check it out. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to share for this video. Take it easy and have a good weekend. Peace.